Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through something that can be surprisingly tricky if you've ever found yourself scratching your head at Mailchimp's interface. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to send an email to just one person on Mailchimp, without getting lost in all the options that are built for bigger lists. So if you need to reach out to a single contact, whether it's a customer, a colleague, or even your future self, you'll be able to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in together. First things first, head over to Mailchimp. I recommend logging into your account in advance just to make sure you're right at the dashboard when you're ready to start. If you haven't used Mailchimp in a while, the interface might look a little different, but don't worry, the basic steps remain the same. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation bar on the left-hand side and select Campaigns. Think of Campaigns as the central hub for your outgoing emails. This is where the magic begins and where every email, no matter how big or small, gets organized. Next, you'll want to create a new campaign. You'll see a prominent Create button, usually at the top right of the campaign's page. Go ahead and click that. It's a bit like opening a fresh canvas. You're telling Mailchimp you're ready to start something new. Now you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you'd like to send. For what we're doing today, select Regular. This just means a standard email, not an automated series or a plain text announcement, so it gives you the classic Mailchimp editing features for your message. You'll need to give your campaign a name. Don't overthink it. This is for your reference only. You might call it something like Direct Email to Sarah or just the date and purpose. Whatever makes it easy to find later if you want to resend or duplicate it. Type that in, then click Begin to move forward. Here, where things get just a bit specific, in the To section of your email setup, you'll determine who actually gets this message. Most of the time, Mailchimp assumes you want to send emails to a list or group, but since we're targeting a single person, we'll do something different. Under the To selection, choose Pasted Emails. This means you can copy and paste a single email address. No need to hunt through your lists or accidentally email everyone. Just paste the specific address of the person you want to reach. There's an option that says, Include these emails in my segment. Make sure that's selected. What this does is tell Mailchimp to only send your email to the address you've just provided, keeping everything focused and private. It's like sealing an envelope with just one name on it, rather than putting out a public notice. Once you've double-checked the recipient's email and you're satisfied, hit Save. That's really all there is to it. You're ready to design your actual email as usual, add your content, and send it on its way. So as you've just seen, sending an email to a single person in Mailchimp is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to click. Give it a try. Don't worry if it feels a bit hidden at first. You'll get the hang of it in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I always check and love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.